At issue in the Supreme Court is the future of the DACA program. That stands for Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. Deferred action has been around for decades. It's the ability of an undocumented immigrant to obtain deferred action on deportation. For example, when I was a prosecutor in DC, occasionally we would help seek deferred action for a witness or someone who was important to one of our criminal prosecutions so that that person would not be deported. DACA is an en masse program of deferred action that applies to people who came to this country as children, oftentimes very young children, 6 months old, a year old, 3 years old. And what that allows them to do is come out of the shadows, have employment authorization, attend college, get driver's licenses, work, in their communities. In 2017, the Trump administration announced its intent to end the program, thus triggering lawsuits across the country, all arguing that ending the program was arbitrary and capricious and also in violation of the Constitution's equal protection and due process guarantees. Without that protection from deportation, undocumented immigrants and their families fear interacting with law enforcement because they fear that those interactions, whether it's reporting crimes of which they are victims or reporting crimes that they witness, will result in deportation of themselves or those they love. That is why the Institute for Constitutional Advocacy and Protection, or ICAP, here at Georgetown Law, filed an amicus brief, or a friend of the court brief, in the Supreme Court to represent the views of 80 current and former police chiefs, sheriffs, and prosecutors. It's important to the law enforcement community that the Supreme Court understand what's at stake here, because it's not just a program that allows some people to be protected from deportation. DACA helps protect these uniquely vulnerable populations from exploitation by criminals and domestic abusers and others. It's a program that allows those people to integrate into their communities, to be willing to step forward and talk to law enforcement about what they see, what they know, what they hear. That protects not only them, it protects all of us.